number 7 of my pockets and stuff for A Winter's Tale journal that I'm working on by ARTYmaze. So I'm going to make a pocket with a tag on the front, which is obviously going to be in my journal. So this piece of paper here measures 5.5 by 7.5, and I have scored it. I've already scored it, but I'm just going to show you. I have scored it at 5, and then make life easy, just turn it around and score it at 5 again, and then at 7, so you've got a 1/2 inch border all the way around the bottom. And as you can see here, we've got these little corners that we need to chomp out, so you just mitre this. Always take a little sliver from the side so that it doesn't bulk up. And again at the top, just a little sliver. There we go. So that's how it's got the pocket that I'm aiming for, and that will be glued straight down onto the page. I need to move this. There we go, out of the way. So we have the pocket, and I need my tab punch. As I said in my other video, my circle punch just gets caught up in the paper all the time, so I'm just going to take that in a little bit just so that I can punch a notch out, just like so. And for this one I am going to I'm not going to glue that down as yet because I might sew on it, who knows. I've got a tag that I've cut that's going to sit on top of there, and this is one of the images from ARTYmaze. So I'm going to stencil on this tag, and I've got some faded jeans blue distress ink, and I'm hoping this isn't going to be like super bright. I'm just going to get rid of some of it. I'm just going to daub that around. Not really going to worry about the middle because it's going to get covered over, and then just go around the edges. This is actually quite dark. So I need a baby wipe to get all this up now. And then just, baby wipes are ever so wet. They take ages to dry on these glass mats. So that's the tag. Easy peasy. And I've lost my little bit. So I'm just going to go around the edges of this. And put that away. I'm going to get a book page, and I'm going to put this on top of there and then cut that out. It's a bit clogged up, that is. And just, that really needs cleaning. So I'm just going to put that on there, and then use my decorative scissors to go around. And like I said in all the other videos in this series, I will be going back over them all and decorating them. This is just the basis for me to work from. And get rid of that, and making sure that's the right way up, which it is. I'm just going to glue that on. just pop that on there. And that will sit on there, but I want to punch a hole in the tag. And try and centre that. I'm going to use the smaller hole on this one. Just try and centre it as best I can and punch. Now, I'm not going to glue that down because I am going to sew around this, but that will be my pocket for my page. And I don't know what I've done with my page. There it is. My dummy page. So that would just sit on there, and I'm actually going to ink around the actual pocket because it's quite white. Now all the things that I'm doing are very easy, they're not difficult, great for beginners. You can utilise them, you can do so much more than I'm doing. So yeah, easy peasy stuff. So yeah, that would be glued down on there, and like I said before, I always glue this bottom flap on top of these two side flaps so that when you put a tag in it doesn't get stuck, because if it was that way it is likely to, the tag is likely to get stuck on that. So yeah, do it that way, that's what I would recommend. So because I'm going to sew, this is, there we go. And then I will, like I said, I'll go back and decorate this once I've done all my pockets. I'm kind of running out of ideas at the moment because I'm trying to do different things, not the same things that I'm doing like I normally do. So yeah, that's my tag pocket for my journal. Any questions, just ask. And there's a playlist, if I've already said that, there's a playlist linked below where you can see all the other things that I've made for this journal if you're interested. So thanks for watching. Bye.